In 2014, Croatia entered its sixth year of recession, which influenced the reputation of banks. They faced a negative trend in the perception of safety and trust. In these uncertain times, Zagrebačka Bank, Croatia's oldest and largest financial institution, celebrates its 100th birthday. The bank has successfully overcome all of the challenges in its long history and decided to show that it will be equally successful in the next 100 years. The public needed to be reminded that Zagrebačka Bank has been and will continue to be the best guardian of our values. We started the Time Vault, our own time capsule, and everyone was invited to store something for the future for free.
Tamburić.
Lude znanstvene ideje.
Bolje društvo.
Jedan dobar refren.
Dobar vic.
The bank made a legally binding document to deliver the stored content to its bearer in 100 years. The items and photographs could be submitted to the capsule in person or digitally through the microsite timevault.hr. The focus of all the digital channels was to bring visitors to the microsite. Those that did not submit a memory were retargeted with new ads. And through microsegmentation, communication was adjusted to publics with different interests. Through premium banners, paid content on news portals, and social media, the public was informed about ZABA's contributions to the community in the last 100 years. The overlapping of news portals was taken into account, ensuring maximum reach for the invested budget. The microsite was continuously optimized through the analysis of the conversion funnel. Through social media, the public became actively involved, and the capsule was filled with thousands of items and photographs from all over the country. The gathered materials generated content for further communication during the campaign. The online campaign reached nearly 2 million people in the first month, with an average frequency of 3.8 times. The microsite generated large public interest. The average time spent on the site was almost 2 minutes. The key attributes were associated with the bank by 50% of the people who saw the campaign, and 79% of the public were informed about the possibility of storing items in the time capsule. Almost 6,000 items were stored. Considering that it was necessary to submit one's personal identification number in order to hand over an item, the bank gathered valuable information about its potential clients. After the campaign, 22% of non-clients expressed the desire to start doing business with the bank, and 39% of the clients expressed the desire to expand their business with the bank. The time capsule became a part of everyday life.